Hey y'all, I'm Spider-Mom 1978. Welcome to my web. Okay, so this is the video you've been waiting for, I suppose. This is what I got at the Show Me Snake, Reptile, and Exotic Show in Fort Mill, South Carolina. I can't talk. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. You will not believe, you're going to be shocked at some of the stuff, but I hope you enjoy, and I'll talk to you after it's over with. Okay, so this is the first pickup from the show. For $40, we picked up a Stromatopelma calceatum, which is also known as the feather leg baboon. We currently have an HMAC, so now we have an HMAC and a feather leg, which is amazing. Already named this one Fluff, F-L-U-F-F. And we're going to try to get Fluff from the cup it was in from being at the show into an enclosure. This enclosure will be perfectly fine for a little while, and as needed we will move it up. So now the fun part. Fluff is actually facing towards the back of the cup, so I'm tapping the front of Fluff's legs, still going backwards. It's literally going backwards. Going down butt first. Okay, and right here is where Fluff finally decides to turn around. And we can get him in there. There we go. Turned around. Alright, one more tap on the booty. One more tap, tap, tap. And in there like a champ. What a beauty. I'm so excited to have this one. It's the first one I've had. So we get to watch it grow up together, which is going to be amazing. And just look at the beautiful coloration and markings on this. I'm so excited. We get to watch this baby grow up together. Alright, let's see what else we picked up at the show. Okay, so the next pickup is going to blow your mind. This is a Dermophis mexicanus, a Mexican burrowing Sicilian. This is a giant worm. It's actually an amphibian, but just check this out and you will see why I fell in love with this thing. Look at that. So amazing. And he's not even close to full grown yet. But yeah. This one's name is Alaska. My daughters Jade and Katina named him after the Alaskan bullworm off of SpongeBob. So meet Alaska. Now we are going to rehouse Alaska. Okay, so this is going to be the enclosure for the Dermophis mexicanus, or the Mexican burrowing Sicilian. We've got everything in here. I've got some cork bark because I've got some isopods that are going to go in here. I'm going to go ahead and put him in, and then, well, let's see if I can show you his head. He's so awesome. Look at this. He's amazing. Well, if I can get him in the picture frame. Let's see. Ta-da. There he is. There's his head. Okay, so we're going to put him in here and let him go on his merry way. Burrow, which is what they like to do. Okay, so he is in a 20 long aquarium. It is topsoil, cocoa fiber, sphagnum moss. It is Flora vivarium substrate and willow oak leaf litter. And like I said, there are some pieces of cork bark in there for the isopods. And then I went ahead and I also added the substrate mix that he was in. Now, these need to stay quite moist, very moist. So we're gonna just, yeah, here we go. Let's get all this in. Can't hurt to add some more. He's starting to slowly burrow down. We can watch him for a moment. Add some more water, why not? Add some more over here, why not? Okay, I'm just filling around, make sure it's good and moist. Wet even. And he is slowly going down in there. This is so amazing. They need at least a 10-gallon, but he's got a 20 long, so he'll have plenty of room. He will be very happy in here. And I've mixed up the nicest mix of substrate that I could come up with for him. So the mixture has, the floral mixture has sphagnum moss, charcoal, some clay. I'm trying to think what else. Anyway, but it's a nice mixture of the leaf litter, the floral mix, the sphagnum moss, and a little bit of the cocoa fiber as well as topsoil. So you can see there's just the tip of his tail left. Alright, here are the dwarf purple isopods. We're just gonna throw these in there with them. They are in there somewhere. Yeah, yeah, tiny little boogers right now, but they're in there. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna throw them in here and they'll find their merry way where they want to go. Yep, they're so tiny, but they are dwarf purples and they're baby dwarf purples. So alright, next we are going to look. I'm looking at him still. Okay, so next we're going to put a whole culture of springtails in this big enclosure. Whee! Look at them all. Pop, pop, pop. Alright. Awesome. As you can see, they're all in there now. And Alaska is ready to go. So, I hope you enjoyed this pickup. This one was super amazing and exciting for me. Okay, and last but not least, here's this beautiful long-haired silver rat that I got. He is so sweet and amazing. I fell in love with him. I've made him a fun little house with, I got him a little snuggle alligator. He's got his salt, his food, his water, a box full of shredded paper. Isn't he adorable? So, I have yet to name him, but let's welcome this amazing, adorable, beautiful rat to the Spider Mom family. Okay, me again. What did you think about that? Let me know in the comments what you think about the pets that we picked up at the Fort Mill show. I'm just still mind blown, honestly. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a great morning, evening, or afternoon, wherever you're at. Take care of yourselves. Much love. Bye-bye.